Hi, it's Kim, your certified driving instructor for Aceable. Parallel parking is one of the things that everybody's scared about for their driving test. However, with enough practice, you'll be able to do it. There are some steps that you want to follow when parallel parking. Let's do it. When parallel parking, your first step is to signal. This is going to indicate to traffic around you that you are going to park. Find a spot that's big enough for your car. Be parallel to the car in front. About 2 feet will work. Once you're there, put the car in reverse. Check for traffic, center mirror, side mirror, blind spot, and then turn your tires all the way to the right. Back slowly. You're going to back up until the rear driver's side portion of your vehicle is in line with the car behind. Once you're there, go ahead and reverse while turning your tires to the left. You'll stop when you're parallel to the curb, straighten your tires, and pull forward to adjust your vehicle in the spot. And that's it. Easy peasy. Once you're done parallel parking, take a deep breath, but it's not over. Remember, you're also going to be graded on exiting the parking spot. So, here's what you do. Put your car in reverse, back up all the way till you can't back up anymore. Use all that space behind you so that you can leave forward without hitting anything. Put the car in drive, don't forget. Signal. Just like a lane change, you're going to check your center mirror, side mirror, blind spot, turn your tires all the way, and exit the parking spot. That's it. The hard part is completely over. Like the tips? Subscribe for more, and check out Aceable's prep course using the link below.